Literally walked in here, not even 5 minutes, fucking hit a rabbit. There's a cell trail cam right in that tree right over there, watching our hunt.
I'm doing it right back to us almost. Daisy's not tasting it, or that's not showing that Nikki's tasting it.
She's on it. Here.
There's 100 to go up the whip. Get him! They're coming back towards us.
Thank God. They're fucking beaver.
There.
Got one. I got tired and he quit early. He's still young. Looks like he's going back in for round 2. Truck's over there. Dogs are up in there. Everybody is. There's one of our little new guys. Where's everybody? There's one there. We're just recovered the trail. Everybody's going. There's a little water stream right up in there where that rabbit keeps crossing. It has did 2 circles over there, 2 circles up in there, went up in there, crossed the water twice, and they lost it. Back in that clearing. Now it's heading up that way.